let's see, as everybody knows, if you've been watching my YouTubes, I've been doing medallions, which is like a flower type on towels. Well, I did it on a shirt, and I actually did 2 medallions on this one. Here's one, and here's the other. And here's the front of it. Poe's not happy he's in a crate right now. So I hope you can see that okay. It turned out really cool. I love the colors. Back's just like the front. Double-sided medallions. You have to excuse my gloves. I just finished dyeing some more stuff. There we go. Which way? This way. Oh, I'm going in the wrong direction. Okay. So here's the back of it. So I really like the way it turned out. This one didn't, this medallion right here, it's kind of unusual. It didn't complete the flow, but I think it just really turned out great. I really like this. What do y'all think? Give me some input, let me know.